how do we put on multiple positions with the same token with Jupiter's Perps DEX? So here we are at jup.ag, and up the top here, we've clicked on Perps and we've connected our wallet. You can see down the bottom here, we have two positions. We've got a long on Sol and a short on ETH. Now with the long on Sol, maybe we want to put on another trade. But this is what happens if we go and put on another trade, like 0.5 Sol. Maybe we want to go with something a little bit degen, like 8x as leverage. We can see that we have a liquidation price that's now different and updating. And if we go in long and then approve this transaction, we're not going to have a separate entry. It's just going to update this one position. So now we can see this has been updated. So it's no longer a 3x long and an 8x, it's just an aggregate. It's 6.33. And then we cannot set multiple take profits because when we put in a position, it's just one position per wallet. Also, there are some DEXs that allow you to come up here and to create like a sub wallet, but that doesn't work here currently with the Jup Perps DEX. So then to fix it, what you have to do is you have to go and close the whole position, then confirm it and approve it. And then we have to go again and put on another Sol long. So let's do this again. With this wallet, I'm going to go with 0.5 3x long, 0.5 1. They take a little bit more to open the account. We're going to open this position here. And just keep in mind, as this is on the blockchain, sometimes the transaction will not make it into a block. And so they'll try to push it into the next block. And it can take a little bit of time, maybe 20 seconds maximum that I've noticed, to actually open the position. At this point, we'd go and add the take profit if we wanted to, a stop loss if we wanted to. This is clearly quite low. We'll go with a little bit higher, confirm, we would trust this transaction, and we would approve. On this occasion, the transaction did not work, so we'll confirm again. The simulation has failed, so sometimes when that happens, it will not actually go. So what we'll do is we'll just close this, refresh the page, then we'll try again. Add a take profit, 165, add a stop loss at 145, confirm, and now the transaction was simulated, approve this, and this should go through. That's good, that's gone through. So now let's put on the second position. What we're going to need is a separate wallet address. So we can go up into our Solflare or Phantom or whatever wallet we're using. We can come up here, and then we can just push plus. We can add a wallet, and what I'm going to call this is Degen Trading. Of course, nothing in this video is financial advice, but that's what we're calling this. We're going to be a little bit more degen. I'm going to take a little bit of Sol from this wallet. We'll send into Degen Trading, 1 Sol, send, confirm. Then I'm going to change this to Degen Trading, and then I'm going to connect my wallet again. Solflare, auto connect for me, and connect, read through the terms, agree and continue. And now I'm going to put on that next long, 0.5. This is going to be a little bit more degen at 8x, long Sol, and then approve. Now we can go, we can add our take profit, we can add our stop loss. We know we've got two different types of longs on. This is a little bit more degen, so maybe we don't want to play with this for too long. Whereas the other one at a 3x leverage, we may want to keep that going for longer because it has less risk. Of course, nothing's financial advice, but that's sometimes how you can do things. Now you want to try and monitor these positions in a way that's easy. So what we can do is we can go and grab our wallet address. We can copy this and we can go to sonar.watch. We've already covered this in another tutorial. You can go and check that out. Then we can save an address. We can create a bundle. Bundle 1, add this address, add, and then come into our wallet, change this one, hover over the other address, copy that, come back, paste, add, and then save, and then click on portfolio, and we can see the two different addresses here. This shows us this wallet and this wallet. So we can see which one is in profit, which one isn't in profit. And then to check on these positions, we can just bookmark this and just check it a few times a day or whatever you want to do. That's all for this video. Catch you in the next one.